Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us solve one question of dissolution of partnership where all partner becomes insolvent. In question we have one liability, that is partner's loan account. When all partner become insolvent, how to pay this partner's loan account? Let us understand in this question. Mohan, Anand and Krishna are equal partners. So ratio is 1:1:1, whose balance sheet as on 30th April 2012 was as under. Asset side, cash in hand, this will be transferred to cash account. Stock, this will be transferred to realization account, debit side. Debtors, realization account, debit side. Plant, machinery, realization account, debit side. Furniture and fittings, realization account, debit side. Land and building, realization account, debit side. Anand's capital account, this will be recorded to the debit of Anand's capital account as to balance brought down. Liabilities, sundry creditors, a separate account has to be opened for all liabilities when all partner become insolvent. Mohan's loan account, now Mohan is one of the partner of the firm and he has given loan to the partnership business. When all partners have become insolvent, how to settle creditors and Mohan's loan? Here Mohan's loan is internal liability, that is a loan given by partner to partnership firm. Therefore this will not have priority in payment. We have to pay sundry creditors fully. Therefore Mohan's loan account we are required to transfer to Mohan's capital account. Capital account of Mohan, Krishna, it will be transferred to their capital account on credit side. Due to weak financial position of the partners, the firm is dissolved. Mohan and Krishna are not able to contribute anything, and a sum of rupees 1000 received from Anand. As all partners have become insolvent from their private estate, we have recovered only 1000 from Anand, whereas Mohan and Krishna, they could not contribute anything. All of them are declared insolvent. The assets realized as under. Stock 2500, plant machinery 5000, furniture and fittings 1000, land and building 4000, debtors 2750. So these are the 5 assets sold. Amount received means cash account will be debited and realization account will be credited. Realization expenses amounted to 250. First step is transfer step. We will be transferring assets to realization account at book value. Stock, debtors, plant machinery, furniture and fittings, land and building. realization account debit side to sundry assets, stock, debtors, plant machinery, furniture and fittings, land and building, transferred at book value 33,000. Cash in hand, this will be transferred to cash account on debit side. To balance brought down 250. Anand's capital account 3,250. This is appearing on asset side. So this capital account has got debit balance. So it will be transferred to the debit of Anand's capital account. Anand's capital account debit side to balance brought down 3,250. Liability side, capital account of Mohan Krishna is appearing on liability side. So they got credit balance. Partners capital account credit side, Mohan buy balance brought down 4,000, Krishna buy balance brought down 2,500. Mohan's loan account 5,000. This will be transferred to Mohan's capital account credit side. Partners capital account Mohan credit by Mohan's loan account 5,000. Sundry creditors 25,000. This will be transferred to sundry creditors account credit side. We have transferred all items from balance sheet. Let us proceed for adjustments. Due to weak financial position of partners, the firm is dissolved. Mohan and Krishna are not able to contribute anything. A sum of 1,000 received from Anand. So amount 1,000 rupees received from Anand. This will be debited to cash bank account and credited to Anand's capital account. Cash bank account debit to Anand's capital account. Amount recovered from private estate rupees 1,000. Anand's capital account credit by cash bank 1,000. That is amount recovered from his private estate. All of them are declared insolvent. The assets are realized. Stock 2,500 1. Plant machinery 5,000 2. Furniture and fittings 1,000 3. Land and building 4,000 4. Debtors 2,750 5. So 5 assets are sold. Amount is received. So bank account will be debited and realization account will be credited. Cash bank account debit to realization account for asset realized. Total amount 15,250. This will be recorded in realization account on credit side. Realization account credit side by cash bank account for assets sold and realized 15,250. Realization expenses amounted to 250. This will be credited to cash account and debited to realization account. To cash bank account 250. This is for payment of realization expenses. Cash bank account credit side by realization account for expenses paid 250. You are required to prepare necessary ledger accounts to close the books of the firm. We have given effect to all adjustments. Now I'll be closing the accounts. First, we are required to close realization account. Realization account is closed. Debit side is heavier. We are getting balancing figure on credit side 18,000. It is realization loss. This loss will be divided among all partners in equal ratio. That is Mohan 6,000, Anand 6,000, Krishna 6,000. This will be transferred to the debit of partners capital account. Partners capital account debit to realization account for loss transferred Mohan 6,000, Anand 6,000, Krishna 6,000. कूलिंग कमी का वाटतंय पॉवरवर टाक एकदा कूल करून टाक मग परत हे करता येईल. Now we are required to find out the amount of available cash with which we can settle creditors. Available cash can be found by taking total of debit side minus credit side. Total of debit side is 16,500 and there is one payment of 250. So 16,500 minus 250. Available cash is 16,250. Amount of creditors we are required to settle is 25,000. 25,000 minus available cash balance 16,250. If we pay this amount, balance amount will remain unpaid because there is no cash available here further. All partners have become insolvent. Whatever possible we have recovered from their estate. So this unpaid amount will be transferred to deficiencies account. So in case of creditors, unpaid amount will be 8,750, which will be put to deficiencies account. We can understand this entry. Creditors, we are required to pay 25,000 rupees book value. So creditors account debit 25,000. We can pay maximum amount to cash bank 16,250. So unpaid amount is transferred to deficiencies account 8,750. Creditors account debit side to cash bank account 16,250 for amount of cash paid. Unpaid amount transferred to deficiencies account 8,750. This can be considered as a balancing figure of creditors account. Deficiencies account will have second effect in deficiencies account on credit side. Deficiencies account credit side by creditors account 8,750. Cash bank account credit side by creditors account for amount paid 16,250. Here cash bank account gets closed, it tallies. Now finally we are required to close partners capital account, and the balance will be transferred to deficiencies account, which must tally. Partners capital accounts are closed. In case of Mohan, we are getting balancing figure on debit side 3,000. This is transferred to deficiencies account. In case of Anand Krishna, we are getting balancing figure on credit side. It is transferred to deficiencies account. Deficiencies account debit side to Anand's capital account 8,250, to Krishna's capital account 3,500. These are the closing balances of partners capital transferred here. Deficiencies account credit side by Mohan's capital account 3,000. Closing balance of Mohan's capital account is transferred here. Finally, we are required to tally deficiencies account. So debit total is 11,750. Credit total is also 11,750, which means deficiencies account is tallying. In this question, we are required to remember one important point, that when all partners becomes insolvent, If any item of loan given by partner to firm is given, we are required to credit that amount to that respective partner's capital account, and it should not be considered at par with outside liabilities like creditors. Thanks for watching this video. Stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.